We'll be back to the channel. Let's continue with our lessons. Today we are going to learn about in this video I'm going to teach you about what we call the financial food chain, the financial market food chain. Let me write it here as our topic today. It's called the financial food chain. Let me include the word financial market food chain. Okay, today this is what we're going to talk about. The financial market food chain. Okay, what is the financial market food chain? This is how the market is fed, how the market is run, and who run this market, how do they run it. Okay, this is what we are going to talk about, is how the market is run and who are those big people that run the market. Okay, we have that number one. I hope you're seeing my screen, my pictures here. Oh, I changed for you the color. Let me change the color. I make it to a bright one. Let me make it more bright such that you can see it clearly. Okay, and make these pictures more bright for you to see clearly. You're getting me? I want you to see these pictures clearly. Sorry. Let me make it more clear. Let me add some capacity. I hope this yellow color is more bright. Is it more bright? Are you able to see this yellow color clearly? Are you seeing this yellow color very clearly? I hope you're seeing it. Let me try to change the colors. That blue won't work. Let me use this one. Let me use that blue one. It will be better. Let me change these colors such that every one of you can be able to identify what I'm talking about. Okay, even that green is okay. Let me just give it more thickness. So now we have the first is a yellow color. Second is going to be a pink. Pink is number two. Our number two is going to be a pink. Okay, number two. Number three is going to be a blue. Number three. Let me just change the colors such that we be on the same page. Don't want to leave anyone behind, and we make this one our number four. I don't know which color is that one. Which color is it, please? Somebody tell me. Somebody tell me which color is this, please. Don't let me die with my colors, my friends. But I can make it. I don't know its name. I don't know how this color is called, but I can make it. Hey, I can make it, but I don't know its name. And green one. Now I don't know which color is that now. And someone tell me. Our number five is going to be a green color. Okay, it's a green color. we're done. Okay, so our number one, at number one we have what we call the central banks. Okay, here at number one we have what we call the central banks. Central banks. What do I mean by central banks? These are the big people, these are the big banks, the country banks, like the Federal Reserve Bank of America, United States of America, and the rest of that name. And these are the market makers. These are the ones that distribute the algorithm. They are the ones that create the market moves, basically. Okay, now we have our number two. Our number two is going to be the smart money traders. Smart money. The smart money traders. Who are these smart money traders? The smart money traders are those people that trade the trade algorithmically according to the algorithm. Okay, the ones that trade according to what is being delivered by the central banks. So at number three we have the hedge funds. We have the large investors. All hedge funds, all the hedge funds, and here is what we call these are the big boys again. Still they are big boys in the market. Let me use blue because it's blue. I wanted us to be able to identify without showing more arrows or whatever. Okay, those are the large investors. What do you have at our number four? These are the e-commerce. We have e-commerce institutions, or the insurance institutions down here. The insurance companies, or what we call the e-commerce institutions. Okay, have the e-commerce here. These are the e-commerce institutions, and these institutions also work in the market, in our crypto market, and as well in the forex market. Now we have the last one, the retail traders. These are the retail traders. Last one. What do I mean by retail traders? I'm not saying that those are not big people. These retail traders are big people in the market too. But you as a trader, I'm assuring you, let me show you one kadoji here, and I tell you the real meaning of what what big boys are. Okay, like here, let me zoom in one doji like this. You with your money, my friend. You with your money. You might be having money and thinking you have money, but let me tell you, you cannot move one candle. You can't even move this single candle. You can't move any of those dojis with your money. With the money that you think you're putting into the market. Okay, so your money is very little, you can't move. But there are people who move these candles, these big candles. The people that create liquidity in the market. These are the people that make the market. Okay, my drawings are lost, but I've got them. So you It's up to you to know which trader you want to be. But here I'm teaching you to become a smart money trader. Me, I'm teaching you to become this. I'm teaching you to become this man. Okay? I'm only teaching you, only teaching you to become a smart money trader. Not anyone else. Not anyone else. Okay? So, I'm trying to show you the market, how the algorithm moves, how the market works, how things are done behind the curtain. I'm giving you the secrets that people never tell you. This is what they never tell you. I'm here to tell you. This is a mentorship. If you want more mentorship from me, like people, like face to face, you want to meet me and I teach you physically, you can contact me. My phone number is down there in the bio, in my bio. But I can as well, let me as well write it for you here. This is my phone number. It is 07, it's plus 256 plus 256 77868030. And I'm called Francis. My name is Francis Crypto Academy. I'm the coach here. Okay, so you can call me and tell me whatever you feel like you want to discuss. That's my phone number. I'm Francis Free Crypto Academy. I'm from Uganda. You can even meet me if you feel like, but I'll give you free mentorships as well. I'm telling you, I will mentor you freely. Those that want to use a robot, I will also drop for you more videos. I'll keep on dropping for you, teaching you how to use the robots. You know, now let me explain it to you here. When you trade using smart money concepts, and use a robot, my friend, you will make very huge profits. You will make very huge profits. But but still you can use a robot and trade as a retail trader. Okay, don't lose hope. If you can use you can use your simple money and work as a retail trader. Okay, I will give you indicators. I keep on moving, show you indicators that can help you trade even if you have not conquered all what I'm teaching here. Okay, you can learn little basics and then start trading. As you learn more, learning doesn't stop there. You have to keep on learning such that you become a better person. Okay, let me teach you. Let me show you what we call liquidity. I'm going to teach you what we call liquidity. Let me end this video. I'm going to teach you what we call liquidity in the next video. Don't miss it, please. Subscribe to my channel and keep on watching the videos. Watch to the end always. Okay,